Hi everyone, my name is Arpit Modi, co-founder and director of iNextix Technologies Private Limited, a leading telecom software provider company. This is my first presentation in TADSummit and I am very much thankful to Alan for providing me such a wonderful opportunity to present the interesting topic, and that's on intelligent call center software to empower your business. iNextix has been founded in 2010 and we are having team of experts with VoIP, web and mobile application development, digital marketing and designing segments. We have majorly contributed in telecom industry with our innovative solutions. Our vision is to empower small businesses to large enterprises through futuristic telecom software solutions which enable them to deliver complete services and remarkable customer experience. With this broader vision, we have been catering our hundreds of customers over a decade. So, what is a call center software solution? Call center software solution is a tool or software that streamlines your sales, marketing, and support activities. It ultimately streamlines your business. It's not just a calling software, but it is a software that can deliver a better customer service that is also in efficient way and professional way. So that will increase the customer satisfaction and increase the agent productivity as well. I mean the productivity of your staff. So let's see how important it is to have the call center software in a business. As you know, like one picture is better than the thousand words. So I'll go by graphical. I will show you a picture in which you will see how exactly it is having or how exactly it is important to have the call center software in a business. So let's see. Okay, in first part of this image, as you see, the agent is having number of phones on his hand and his face is very frustrated. So this is where we are seeing a case where the operations are being made without a call center software. So when you are not having this wonderful tool in your business, then the customers are calling you on your different telephone lines and your staff is like handling the huge amount of calls. They might not be having all the records of that specific customer on hand. They might not be knowing what to speak. They might not be also not knowing how exactly the last agent has talked with that customer, what was the conclusion of that call, what we had promised to that customer to deliver, what to say, what not to say. So there are a lot of things which are running in a business such that the agent is very frustrated, and ultimately it will be leading to the worst customer experience. The customer will not be also satisfied, right? So let's see the other part of the image. This is where we see like the operations with a call center software. So here as it shows, the agent and the staff members are also happy because they are handling the customer in a more efficient and professional way. Even though that's a huge amount of calls, but they are having all the information or the records in hand. They are knowing what exactly has been spoken to the customer lastly. They know how exactly the records are going on and what to say, how to handle this customer, and how to make the customer satisfied. So ultimately customer is happy and staff is also happy. This is what we all need, right, in the business. Now I'll show you one another picture that is even more interesting than this. Okay, here as you see, there is a customer who has placed an order over a website and he is trying to see where exactly his order is. So he is contacting a customer department in the company in which he has made the order. So he asking, I placed an order on your website and it still hasn't shipped. So definitely there will be a customer support executive on the other side of the phone or the chat, and what he says, it could be a problem with web team or our technical team or our fulfillment team or inventory team or payment team. But I can't access their system, so there is no way to tell. So as you see, the business is not having the data centralized such that his customer support executive is not having the exact information, like where exactly the order is, what is the state of the order. So customer is out of frustration and he is asking, aren't you all part of the same team? Now this is very bad for a business, because when you are working in a team, when you are having a business, then definitely we must have to work in a team, and the representative who is handling the customer must be having proper track of all the records of that customer. But still the customer executive says, no, I am only in charge of excellent customer service. So is this a way that the customer executive will be able to deliver the excellent customer service to this customer? No way, right? So there can be multiple teams or departments in your business, but it is very mandatory that you have the centralized data, you have a tool or system such as call center software that can streamline your different activities. So that will boost your agent productivity as well as increase the customer satisfaction, right? So this is the importance and the major factor to have the call center software. What is an intelligent call center software solution? So as you already know what is a call center software, now there is another term, that is intelligent call center software solution. So intelligent call center software solution is also a call center software, but let's say along with all the traditional or conventional call center features, if your software is having advanced features, those are built using smart algorithms. See, we are into 21st century. AI and smartness is everywhere, even smartphones are there, right? So if your call center software is having advanced features built using smart algorithms, then it's an intelligent call center software solution. And obviously it must be having the all the traditional and conventional call center features as well. So that's what the intelligent call center software is. Now the key features. There are a lot of key features for an intelligent call center software. I'll walk you through few of the features, just explain few of the features, such as like customer support features. So in customer support, the call center software, intelligent call center software can have automatic call distribution, such as like IVR can be there, call queues can be there. Yeah, even skill based routing, staff or agent skill based routing can be there. Sticky agent can be there. So these are the customer support features which can provide a better support to the customer, and it can have the first call resolution. Then business call management features. So in business, there can be multiple features like auto dialing, voicemails, then predictive dialing, then voice broadcasting. Yeah, the broadcasting can be also there and helpful in the marketing. So these are the business call management features. Okay, and agent productivity features. In agent productivity, there can be a feature like real-time monitoring of that agent and coaching that agent. Agent can have the call script such that he can read out what to speak to the customer real time. There can be also soundboard such that for repetitive questions or the ongoing promotional activities, customer doesn't, I mean, agent doesn't need to repeat the thing all the time, same thing to the different customers. He can have the soundboard where he can click on a button and the message will be played to the customer. Interesting, right? So these all features can increase the agent productivity. Even there can be a dashboard where the agent can evaluate himself or reporting as well, such that self evaluation can be agent productivity feature in the intelligent call center software. And obviously advanced analytics such as like detailed reporting, or we can say dashboards or analytical tools such that you can measure the performance of the agents or the staff. You can take some realistic or real-time decisions based on the analytics. So these are the key features of an intelligent call center software. Okay, common challenges faced by the businesses. We are into 21st century, and along with the technological advancements, there are a lot of advancements, or we can say the customers are also becoming more powerful nowadays. And obviously there is a huge competition in market. Pandemic time is also there. So almost all the businesses are facing various challenges. Let's see what type of challenges or the common challenges businesses are facing. So here there are few of the challenges listed which is being faced by most of the businesses, which they are actually facing to retain their existing customers in terms of providing a better support and services, and also to grab new customers. So juggle among multiple platforms. What does it mean? As I told you, like customer is powerful along with the technological advancements in this era. So customer, instead of just doing a call or providing or I mean contacting anywhere else, customer can also contact you like on email, SMS, Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, anywhere. So nowadays every business are having like a WhatsApp number is there, then email address is there, or some of the businesses are also having the ticketing portal, help desk ticketing, such that customer can open a support ticket. Every business are having the Facebook page, Twitter account, so customer can contact you anywhere. And to give timely support, your staff or agents also needs to be present on all the platforms. So what they will be doing, they will be just juggling between those platforms. Let's say if a call comes in, they will talk on the call. On the other side, email is coming in, they will open the email account and reply to the email. If WhatsApp is coming, they will reply on the WhatsApp. They will also have the social media open. So that will be the juggling. So this is a challenge. This will ultimately reduce the agent productivity because half of the time will be wasted in just juggling, and this is how the productivity has been reduced. Then lack of analytical tools. Many systems are not having the basic analytical tools such as that the decision makers can analyze the data and take a realistic or real-time decision, like, or build a strategy, you know. So this is a challenge. Complex security setup. So here I am talking about the challenges faced by the businesses, whether they are using a call center software or even not using any type of call center software or a tool. Okay, so if some businesses are using a tool, call center software, but they are having the complex security setup, so it's becoming difficult for them. And cutthroat competition, as I said, competition is everywhere. Everyone wants to be the number one. So to be the number one, businesses has to enhance their brand. They have to increase their brand presence and cater the customer in a efficient way. Then complex to manage day-to-day operations. Let's say the business a specific business is using the call center software. Now it is if it is very complex to upload the customer data, to schedule a campaign, to upload any specific audio file or something for promotional messages, then it is a challenge, and customer expectation and demands are increased. So it is very difficult to satisfy a customer nowadays because he is having a multiple options, so he will be definitely looking for more. So it is a challenge to fulfill the expectation of a customer. Then last but not the least, regulatory challenges. In every country, there can be various regulatories who are managing the telecom and other traffic. And if the software which you are using is not compliant or compatible with the regulatory, then you can be into the serious trouble. So this can be also one of the challenge. Now, how to resolve these challenges? To resolve these challenges, we have the intelligent call center software. That's why we are discussing like what is intelligent call center software. So you must be wondering how the intelligent call center software resolve the challenges faced by the businesses. Intelligent call center software, as we know, it is having the advanced features built using smart algorithms such that it can take care all of those challenges which we just seen in the past slide. Like for an example, juggling. So to handle or to resolve that challenge, the intelligent call center software can have the multi-channel or the omni-channel solution. So if the software is having the omni-channel support or the solution, then agent doesn't have to juggle between multiple tabs or the windows. They will just have a single platform or the software in that all the channels such as like Twitter, calls, then SMS, WhatsApp will be coming through. So imagine how easy it is and how exactly it will be simplifying your like challenge. Apart from that, for day-to-day activities, if the software is smart, then you don't need to feed the software with the basic information based on the data you are having or based on the choice you want. It can work efficiently. So the intelligent call center software can resolve all those challenges. Let's see how. These are actually the benefits or major benefits of using the intelligent call center software. As I said, the intelligent call center software can have multiple features. One of those features we can say is providing a better customer support. You can have the enhanced customer support by providing the omni-channel feature. So the customer will be satisfied and you can have a good retention ratio of your existing customers. So that will enhance the customer support. And if your agent doesn't have to juggle between multiple platforms, and if it is having all the data handy, call script is there, soundboard is there, then it will boost the productivity. So this is the major benefit. So based on that, your customer will be satisfied, your agent productivity will be also increased, and the better call management. So instead of having the manual calls or one by one calls, you can have auto dial or predictive dial. So that will save the agent time as well as the communication cost. And data driven growth strategy. So if you are having a proper reporting, then you can design your future strategy accordingly. So once you are having like better customer satisfaction, agent productivity, then communication cost is also reduced. So ultimately it will increase the ROI. So if the ROI is increased, then obviously it will drive your business on a next level. So imagine how this single tool can help your business to become on the next level, right? iQualify. iQualify is one of such intelligent call center software built using cutting edge technologies and smart algorithms. It is having the aim to become the most robust call center software. Its main objective is to increase reach, sales, and customer satisfaction of its users. Now you must be wondering, there are a lot of intelligent call center softwares in the market. Then what makes iQualify stand out different amongst all those call center softwares? So I'll give you some key points which makes the iQualify different than other software solutions. The first thing, as I said, iQualify has been built using the cutting edge technologies and the smart algorithms, right? So that is providing the complete and flexible support to its users. Another thing is, if you want to empower your sales and marketing team or activities, then you can have the single tenant solution or single tenant software or setup of iQualify. But if you want to create or generate a new revenue generation channel, then iQualify has the multi-tenant setup such that you can have the multi-tenancy support in your software. You can host the software on any of the server, and you can start selling the call center services. So that's a new revenue generation channel for you. iQualify is having the flexible pricing models. You can have monthly, quarterly, or yearly plans. Apart from that, iQualify is very flexible in terms of deployment. You can deploy or set up iQualify on any cloud server or on-premise server based on your choice and preference without affecting its performance. There are many other things which makes out iQualify stand out among other call center softwares. So to explore that, you can have a free demo from our website, and also you can apply for 14-day free trial of iQualify to explore the complete software by your own. Then only you can see like how exactly it is different than other. So hurry up and just fill up the form, and we are just a call or email away. Thank you for listening my presentation and being a part of this wonderful TED Summit. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.